VVNT. It's a little bit more expensive, but what a move. My gosh. Vivian Small Homes. This was okay. This was a big play from yesterday. This is where it went from 13 to 17. It just went from 17 to 23. Spread right now is pretty tight. It's about 20 cents, which isn't terrible. You're going to have to pay up if you want to play into that name. Charlie Alpha Tango Bravo CATB. I'm looking to be a buyer right now. Buy entry is going to be around 565 if you can get it. I will go 566 here. Stop will be just under 540. SINT, nice little bounce off lows. Anybody grab a piece of SINT? Absolutely ripped through. Charlie Oscar Delta X-Ray. That was actually one of the better performers for the whatchamacallit names. Coronavirus names here.